So let's just come to standing first. Let us get ourselves grounded into the earth. So the feet connected to the earth. So we're going to bring the shoulders up towards the ears and down. Really drawing those shoulders away from the ears, the arms, hands facing forward, crown of the head reaching as high as you can up towards the sky. And if it's comfortable, just let your eyes close. And give yourself an honest appraisal. Ask yourself, how do I feel? It's Friday, it's the end of the week. Some people are off in their holidays. We're just checking in and seeing how you feel. How do you feel physically? How's your body feeling? You can breathe in through the nose, and in the exhale, you can breathe out through the mouth, and it's just our chance to kind of let go. So as we exhale, we kind of get let go of negative thoughts, negative emotions. Letting go of the week that's just passed. And yeah, be mindful of your body if anything doesn't feel quite right. Whether there's any niggles, any aches and pains, just be mindful. Now bring awareness to your heart. Notice how your heart is feeling today. We go through lots of emotions every hour, every day. Our emotions can go up and down, and sometimes they're a little bit negative, sometimes they're positive. But there may be fear, there may be frustration, anger, anxiety, worry, maybe guilt or shame. So if you've got any of those, just kind of exhale all those negative emotions away. And maybe breathing in inspiration, joy, happiness, love. Releasing any of those negative emotions. And as we're working with the Gallbladder Meridian today, as I said, it's part of the wood element and it's part of the spring season. And the emotions to go with gallbladder are frustration and anger. So notice whether you've been tightening up. They also govern the muscles. So you may be a little bit more tense, you may be holding yourself a little bit more stiffly. And you may have a few emotions of these frustration and anger, and it may not be outward emotions, they could be internal emotions, that anger and frustration, those words we say to ourselves. Just really trying to calm. Notice how your breath is feeling. Just notice your inhale and the exhale. Is it nice and smooth with beautiful ebb and flow to the breath? Or maybe it's beating, your breath is quite fast and shallow. It's always nice just to stop for a moment and just breathe. We breathe over 20 to 25,000 breaths a day, so just really noticing how your breath feels. The mantra for the gallbladder is, I assert myself peacefully and I release judgment easily. Let's bring the palms together, let's rub those hands. Let's get a little bit of movement. So we're going to do the neurovascular hold for the wood, which I'm sure you probably know because we've been doing it for a few weeks now. You're going to bring one hand onto the forehead. Oh no, you can bring both hands, sorry, onto the forehead. So the palm of the hands rest on the temples and the fingertips just rest over the forehead. And just checking in and seeing how this feels. Then release. I want you to start tapping on your head. We're going to do the trace of the gallbladder shortly, but the gallbladder kind of zigzags around the side of the head. So you're just tapping on the head. You can tap gently, or you can tap hard like raindrops really getting onto your head, but we're really stimulating all along the front of the hairline, really stimulating this gallbladder meridian. And you go all the way down the neck, and then back up, and then just tap around by your side of the eyes. And then we're going to come and tap underneath the eyes, coming to that stomach meridian. So we're just tapping gently here. Start to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, releasing any negativity. Coming down the neck, coming to your K27 point, breathing in through the nose. Letting go. If you know that you're a little bit frustrated or angry about anything, just really use that breath. Really use it to just let go. Coming down to the thighs, middle of the chest, directly over the heart chakra as well. And then round to our spleen, tapping on the side of the body. How does your spleen feel today? Is there any tenderness? Is there any tightness? You can tap underneath the breast all around here. And then stop. Come to stillness. And just feel your energies just waking up. The fuzziness of the energies all around the body. We're going to march on the spot. Same hand, same knee. Brush them off, shake them off, and then cross them over. And notice how they feel. So if you've got a little skip in your step, challenge yourself. Couple at the back, oops. Couple at front. Kind of nice just to have a play with this crossover. You can just cross across the shoulders. And simply by having a cross, like just crossing two pencils on your desk where you work, will really also stimulate having that energy crossing over. Shaking your hands off. Bring your hands in front of the body. Set yourself an intention or an affirmation. Something you want to manifest. And just feel it. Whatever it is you want. Just open up your senses to how you'll feel when this all comes to life. Maybe a smile on your face. We're going to bring the hands, say the affirmation as you bring the hands all the way up in front of the body. As you come to the mouth, just send it up and out. Send it out into the universe. We'll do it twice more. Inhaling, drawing that energy up. And exhaling out. Last time, inhale, coming up. And exhale all the way out. And then we're going to seal it in. Middle finger into the belly button, other middle finger into the third eye, or if you have another hook up you enjoy better, and it can be holding the power point right at the top of the spine where it reaches the skull. You may like holding behind on your Ming Man, on your heart, anywhere you can hold on the central and anywhere on the governing. So you can have a little play next time you go and put the kettle on. Have a little play with these holds. See what feels nice for you. Beautiful. Shake your hands up. So we're going to trace the gallbladder meridian. Gallbladder meridian, it starts on the corner of the eyes. You're going to bring your hands and do this with intention. So almost feel like you're gathering up all this energy and just making your gallbladder stronger. So it starts on the corner of the eyes. You take it down to the opening of the ears. You take it up above the ears. It then it goes behind the ears, right to the base of the skull. It then comes all the way up to the forehead, and then it goes all the way down the back of the head, off the shoulders, and then it comes from the back of the body. It comes in at the waist, out at the hips, and then it goes all the way down the outside of the legs, down your IT band, all the way down the outside of the legs, and it comes off your fourth toe. So give that fourth toe a little pinch. Then flip your hands off and slowly come to rise.